Right, Alex, why do you want a Guy Phoenix house?
Best in the world. Never seen anybody else do houses like it, and he's a fucking nutter.
Afternoon.
How are we?
I'm right, mate.
Yeah, good.
Rules stipulate you go on. Sorry, mate. I know it's not fucking Dolce & Gabbana or Louis Vuitton, but
It'll do.
it's better, look.
Yeah.
Guy fucking Phoenix. So doing outside, I'll show you outside. Parking area in there, true circle. You can see it taking shape. And you know, the way I get it done is by flooding it with men who all know what they're doing. But it's coming together. It's coming together. Bit of a garden up there, the steps, lights on the trees. It's a mess, but it's a building site. We'll clear it all out, but come inside and...
How long you got left on here, mate?
On here?
Yeah.
10 weeks.
What? Seriously?
Yeah. I've been on it nearly a year.
So,
All right, guys, from October, how long will it take you to the mine?
Yours is about 3 fucking years. It's built, yours is all built in concrete, and yours is going to take much, much longer. You haven't built it the same way. You built it in concrete. It's much harder to do it. This will be the entrance hall, so very important, that's the wow factor. Crystal glass in triangles. Venetian plaster, we've got the rough wall. Beautiful doors that have been made, everything's organised, everything's in place. Into the lounge. 2 lamps on there. Air conditioning, see how I hide it all?
Yeah.
So I'm able to do it, so it looks like it's built into a pelmet. Horse-shaped sofa, low table lamp, sofa, low table lamp. But you can see when this is dressed and dimmed down, how it all comes together. This will be the swimming pool. It's 60 square metres, not massive, jacuzzi, TV. And you go through into your changing room, toilet, shower, lights under the steps, table and chairs up there. All this will be scraped off. And in here, changing area, plant room, shower. This room will be wow once it's all exposed and tiled, and they're just finishing all the bits now. Through to the kitchen, great big island, coffee machine.
I like this guy.
Yeah, it's nice. But you can see it just comes together. And you get a good team. Dining room.
You can't be serious that I'm another 3 years from finishing.
You've already been on it 3 fucking years.
Tell me seriously
What?
how long it'll take you
To do
from October.
several years.
From October?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you haven't done it the way I would do it. It's all concrete. How am I going to hide all the boxings? How am I going to, you know, if we can do it sooner, we'll do it sooner. No advantage to me delay, does it? But it's the detail and the working out that I just do when I'm here. Yours is scary. I mean, how long does it take you to fucking build what you built? A fucking box.
3 years. Keeps fucking telling me, prick.
Yeah, but hang on a minute.
What?
So it's took you to build a little box with a lid on it.
Yeah.
3 fucking years. But all of this, what you see, is supposed to take me quicker, yeah? Fuck off. Come and have a look. You can see it coming together. The stone, the stairs, the rear bedroom. Ah, Michael! Michael! Laser boy in here, look. You know, Mike's the best tyler in the world. Everything has to be perfect. I like to just come in and kick his level, look. Give his level a kick so everything's fucking off, look. There you go, look. He gets really pissed off with that. He gets really fucking pissed off. He gets really upset with that. He's got to do it all again now, look.
There's no need for it.
We love Mike. He'll be doing yours. He's a good lad, you know, Mike. That's not straight, Mike. You need to sort that out, mate. Nobody else does any tiling. You get a level and a line, every fucking thing is perfect. Everything.
What? The kicking ball?
You know, it changes, and it changes by the fucking hour if you're doing it right. Yours don't change by the fucking month. without being horrible to him. So look out the window, you can see men. Look in there, you can see men. Look up here, you can see men. You're on your side. There's them things that blow across the cowboy, like in the cowboy films. There's no fucking body there. This fucking stuff is what controls your house. But look how much storage you've got. Drawers, chandelier. This is just purely a wardrobe. It organises your life. I'm going to make another fucking show called Billionaire Builder. That's not because I'm a fucking billionaire, because the people I build for become billionaires because of me. I should be getting 10 fucking %. Because your brain is focused and conditioned. And when you live in these houses, you don't want clutter. Do you know what I mean? Look at this stuff. It's all done in this. The covers, the cushions, the whole bed. And why don't I buy beds? Because you buy beds, they're never as solid. Look at the shower heads. This will take the fucking skin off your fucking back, if you want it to. This is a full-on massaging, absolutely, all you need is a fucking hole there to fucking slide into, mate. This is fucking beautiful. Do you know what I mean? Don't want clutter. I don't want to see me fucking head and shoulders. I'm always learning and evolving, and you know, it's called progress, isn't it? If you don't get better, I've got to keep ahead of the game. See, what I noticed on the internet is I do something, and then a few months, a year later, my design's been copied by somebody else. So I'm trying to find new products all the time to remain ahead. Carpet, different shade. Lamps, different shade. He wants to be beautiful, great big balcony. It needs sanding and play around with it, but it's quite a soft. Look, look at me fucking toe. He's fucked up. You're not interested in that, no? I'm just telling you how it works when you fucked up.
Do you know, like, look
at your hand. Look, it actually follows your hand up. Look here. It's still a bit of work to do, finer detail, but you know, I'd rather look at the ocean personally, but you know, some people like looking at haggardy old sheep.
It's a good view tonight.
It's nice, but what you've chosen is better. And you've got more fucking money than me. Did you notice you didn't deny them?